Hey everyone, welcome back to Clarity Coach, where we break down complex ideas and make them crystal clear. If you're curious about how your favorite apps know exactly what to suggest next, like what music to play or what show to recommend, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something super powerful and honestly, a bit magical. Data modeling. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, why it matters, and how it works, all in simple terms. Let's get started. So, what exactly is data modeling? At its core, data modeling is just the process of using math or computer programs to help us understand patterns in real-world data. Think of it like this. Imagine you're tracking how much your phone battery drops after watching YouTube every day. After a few days, you might start seeing a pattern, like 2 hours of video equals 30% battery gone. If you put that pattern into a computer, it can learn from it. That's a data model. It learns from examples, and then it can predict the future, like how much battery you'll lose tomorrow. In short, data modeling means teaching computers to learn from past data, so they can help us make smart decisions. Now, why should you care about data modeling? Because it's everywhere. Music apps like Spotify use it to recommend songs you'll love. Online stores use it to suggest what you might want to buy next. Hospitals use it to help doctors catch illnesses early. Even self-driving cars use models to understand the world around them. So yeah, data modeling isn't just some techie concept. It's a big part of how the modern world runs. There are lots of different types of data models, depending on the problem you're trying to solve. Let's look at a few common ones. Linear regression. This one is great when you think there's a straight line relationship between things like more study time equals higher grades. Logistic regression. Used when you're predicting something like yes or no, true or false. Like will this student pass? Or will it rain tomorrow? Vision trees. Kind of like the computer asks a series of yes-no questions to reach an answer. Neural networks, inspired by how our brains work. They're really powerful and can learn complex things, like recognizing faces or voices. You don't need to memorize these names. Just know that different problems need different models. So how do we actually build one of these models? Let's walk through the basic steps. Choose the right model based on the question you're trying to answer and the kind of data you have. Train the model. This means feeding the model with past data, so it can learn patterns. The more examples it sees, the smarter it gets. Test the model. We check how well the model works by testing it on new data it hasn't seen before. Prove the model. If it's not accurate enough, we clean the data, add more examples, or tweak the settings. It's kind of like teaching someone a new skill. You show them lots of examples, let them try it out, and then help them improve. Here's the golden rule of data modeling. Garbage in, garbage out. That means if your data is messy, wrong, or missing information, your model won't be helpful. It might even make really bad predictions. So before we train any model, we spend a lot of time cleaning the data, fixing errors, removing duplicates, and organizing things clearly. It's like cooking. Even the best recipe won't help if your ingredients are spoiled. Once our model is trained, how do we know it's any good? We test it using something called cross-validation, where we take a portion of our data and hold it back during training. After the model is built, we test it using this unseen data. Think of it like a surprise quiz. If the model can still get the right answers, even without having seen those questions, then it's probably ready to use. If it doesn't do well, no worries. We go back, adjust things, and try again. Let's look at some real-life ways. Data models are used. Amazon predicts what products to keep in stock near you. Netflix suggests shows you'll probably binge next. Hospitals use models to predict who might need urgent care based on early symptoms. And yes, even TikTok uses models to decide what videos to show you next on your For You page. So, to wrap up, data modeling is how computers learn from past data to make smart predictions or decisions. It's a powerful tool used in everything from shopping and entertainment to science and medicine. By choosing the right model, training it well, and testing it carefully, we can build systems that actually help people. And remember, the better your data, the better your model. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's curious about tech. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a bite-sized lesson with Clarity Coach. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep learning.